My name is Professor Nicole Spottke, and I am a composition professor at the West Campus. I received the Raymer F. McGuire Jr. Endowed Chair in Communications, and I used my Endowed Chair actually to study the usefulness of online writing center visits. We have an online writing center here on West Campus and on all of our campuses. I used my Endowed Chair to hire Crystal Smith, a writing center professional, and she met with students for half-hour sessions online on a program that would actually allow her to interact with the student in both a chat room alongside of their essay, which would be something that she could make notes on and circle words right on the screen, right on the student's paper online, and the student would be seeing this as well and could interact with the professor and ask questions. The highlight of my project was actually the student feedback, and I brought some quotes from some of those journals that my students wrote about their experience, and it was just, I know that it was a successful project because of what they had to say. One student said, "I had a chance to talk to Professor Smith about my essay and ask some questions. And also I received a brief feedback from her on my work. She helped me to find my mistakes and gave me an idea of how to recognize and reorganize some of my sentences in the paper." Another student said, "Professor Smith would tell me something needed to be fixed or tweaked a little bit, and then she'd ask me how I thought I should change it. It was comforting having her there to share my ideas and get feedback on how I was doing." And this other student, "I believe that being able to talk with a professor, even online, is something that can be very helpful for students wanting a second opinion on their essay or writing assignments." And the lessons I learned from this project was that technology means flexibility. There were times that my students would get on and the paper wouldn't upload, and there was some technological problems, and so we realized there's a lot of kinks to work out with online writing sessions, but with flexibility we can really conquer. Receiving the Raymer F. McGuire Jr. Endowed Chair in Communications has really helped me to, well, help my students. Without it, my students would have gotten by, but it increased their comfort level and offered them a sense of accomplishment. They were extremely happy with their improvement, and I can't ask for anything better than that, and I'm very thankful for the grant.